what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. Yeah, about to see it shine, 'cause we're golden.
Hi, what's going on, guys? Today I'm doing a bit of welding. I brought the welder. I welded a bit yesterday, so I'm going to show you what I did yesterday. So I welded this back. So this is now in one piece again. I welded the crack here and I primed it. It's still a bit uneven, but I don't really mind. So what I'm doing now is I cleaned this and I'm going to weld this. And then I think I need to weld there. I don't know if you can see, but there's still a little crack there. So I'm going to weld that, and then the welding should be done for this part. Then I'm going to go and take apart the drift car and take off the, well, this bracket for the bumper support. And I'm going to mount it, and it's probably not going to fit perfectly. So that's why I'm just going to prime it and mount it. And when it's mounted, I'm going to check if the bumper fits, and if it fits, well, then I'm going to paint it in the correct color. So, you just watched that little time lapse. What I did is I welded that and I quickly painted it with primer. I'm going to use silicone and a brush to make it look OEM like this. I welded up the mount that goes on the frame rail, and I think it's kind of straight. Well, from the looks of it, way better. I think it's like half a millimeter or a few millimeters too far out, but that doesn't really mind because I can play with that. And I put this thing on to check if the holes were, well, if the holes are good, and they're goodish. So yeah, I'm going to hammer, weld, and we'll see. I'm going to show you the progress I made, and then I'm going to have to leave. What I did is a drift car. I took off the brackets. I only had to undo this spot weld and the other two broke off, so that's ideal. And I already welded it on. There. Now the only problem I assembled the nose, and I noticed that the bumper wasn't fully fitting on, so this thing wasn't on good. It was too far out, so I welded it on again. Then that bracket is too far back, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to undo these. I'm going to undo this one and put it on the other side, so I have like 1 centimeter more of movement. And then I should be good for the bumper, and I can assemble it. And once it is good, once it is assembled fully, I can take it back apart again, scuff it up, do like last bodywork over there, paint it, and then once the car's ready on the outside, I'm going to well, put new steering, put new tie rods in, new control arms, valve cover gasket. But I wanted to do the body first, so it's clean again. I'm very happy this is a very good learning experience for me, and I'm very happy with the progress that I made today, learning how to weld and stuff. So yeah, I'll see you next time.
What it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see it shine, 'cause we're golden.